Welcome to the Daily Jing for November 15th. This is November 15th, Friday. Okay, Monday, the 18th, we're meeting in class. Make sure that you bring 2 copies of your paper. And make sure that you go into your student course page and see my comments on your question and thesis. You need to revise those before you write the paper. You need to have a argumentative question which has 2 sides to it. Let me show you. I suggested in the comments that I made to your position argument paper question and thesis that you go to page 157 in the e-text and look at the example. And I put it into my course page, my sample course page. So if you look here, you'll see the sample question here. How can our campus increase the amount of locally grown food that students eat without adding to the costs they pay and increase student awareness of environmental stewardship? There are 2 things here: locally grown food and increase awareness. And the thesis is establishing an organic garden can provide both fresh and healthy, low cost, and to the school's environmental mission. Now, this is not a traditional or a specific argumentative question. This is a proposal question in a way, but it still works for our example here because it gives us 2 items here. And when you think of an argument has 2 sides to it. So you have to ask the question whether something, whatever your topic is, should be done this way or that way. And then your thesis has to come down on one of those sides. Okay? So your research question for the position argument paper has to present the option of having 2 sides to the question. And it has to be controversial that fair-minded people can disagree about. So go into your student course page and rewrite your question, and then email me the fact that you've rewritten it, and I'll go in and look at it again. Do it today, Friday, so that you'll have a chance to write your paper with this new question. Now, when you bring your paper to class on Monday, make sure that you have the question and thesis at the top of your page. Look at the formatting information on the, here I'll show you. This is the argument, the position argument assignment sheet. If you scroll down in the sheet, you'll see the requirements and the formatting and this link to this page. If you click on that, you'll see what you need to put at the top of your paper here. Your name, the class number, the first draft, the date, and your topic, and research question, and thesis. And these need to be revised from the ones that you put in your course page. Okay? Everyone needs to revise their question. Okay, so the question of the day is, when are we going to meet next? We're going to meet on Monday, and you're going to bring 2 copies of your paper for your peers. Okay? All right, thanks.